Video, I'm going to review division with rational exponents. And I'm going to review all the tricks you need to know on how to do it. So if we have a problem like this that says simplify, assume all variables are positive. Okay, so we have y to the 5/2 divided by y to the 7/2. So we need to remember the following identities. Okay, so if we have a to the s and a to the t, we just add them together. Okay, if we have division here, then we do s minus t for a. And if we have a to the negative r, it becomes 1 over a to the r. Okay, the negative just means it becomes a denominator. Okay, so now we could just try to figure out which one to use. And here we have division, so we're going to use this one. Okay, so let's continue. So it's 5/2 minus 7/2 is what happens to the problem. Okay, so now we can just simplify that. 5 minus 7 is -2. So -2/2 becomes -1 equals y to the -1. And y to the -1, we can tell that we just need to use this identity, and when there's a negative exponent, it means it just becomes part of the denominator. So when we rewrite this in simplified form, it becomes 1 over y. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Anyone can do this. You can just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could watch those if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.